Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I thought this video I'll make it with a voice. So in this video I'm gonna show you how we can make it react with saga, react with redux saga. So इसमें यह है डेमो. इसमें these are listings API endpoint से कॉल हो रहा है and ये listing भी इधर आ रहा है. So these are the images, title and descriptions, and the API is I'm using uh, 1 second. Okay, okay. This news API I'm using. So, uh, so I'll show you how I can make this possible using Redux Saga, not Redux Tank, because Redux Tank already we have used and we have already implemented in the last videos, but this videos I'm gonna show you using Redux Saga how we can implement Redux Saga in the React project. So guys, I want your support. Please do subscribe if you like the videos, and please do comment also. If you want all the videos with voice, then I can do it for you, but for this video I decided to make this video with my voice, because I don't have any proper setup for the voice. I'm using simple earphone for this video. So guys, don't waste the time, let's begin the website. So one more thing I want to know, I want to discuss, because everything, all the codes, you can get it from here. I'll put the descriptions below in the videos. So from here you can comment and copy this link, and you can clone it in your desktop and simply run npm install, and it will work out for you as expected, like this. Okay, so how we are gonna do it, let us begin. So I will do from scratch and remove everything, and I will start for you. Okay, so let's start.